Welcome everyone to our next tutorial of online learning. Here in this tutorial we will see how to generate 26 AS from income tax website. First you have to log in through e-filing with your PAN and password. Then after go to my account, view form 26 AS tax credit, click on here. Then click on confirm. Check this box, click on proceed. Then go to view verified tax credit, click on view 26AS, select assessment year. For financial year 1920 I am selecting assessment year 2021. Click on HTML here, then click on view download. Now you can see your tax details here. This much amount is credited to your account. Total tax deducted is 0. So by this way you can generate your 26 AS through e-filing website. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.